In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an Evergreen webinar on Tally. So using an on-demand setup. To get started, open your browser and go to Tally. So then sign in to your account so you can access your dashboard. Once you're inside, the first thing you'll want to do is create a new registration form. Click Create Form to start building it. You can begin with a blank form, or if Tally offers a webinar registration template, you can use that to save time. Next, add the registration fields you want people to fill out. Common fields include name, email address, and any other details you want to collect from attendees. Make sure the most important fields are marked as required so you get the information you actually need for follow-up and access. After that, customize the form so it clearly matches the purpose of your webinar. Add a title like On-Demand Webinar Registration, and include a short description that explains what people will learn and how they'll be able to access the webinar after signing up. This helps set expectations and can improve conversion because visitors immediately understand what they're getting. Once the form content looks good, move into the form settings and open the confirmation page options. This is where you'll decide what attendees see after they submit the form. Customize the confirmation message so it feels clear and helpful rather than generic. Now add your webinar access link. You can place the webinar URL directly in the confirmation message, which is great if you want people to watch immediately. Another option is to redirect them to a landing page where the webinar is hosted. That approach can be useful if you want a more branded viewing experience. From there, configure email notifications if you need them. You can send a confirmation email to attendees that includes the webinar access link along with any extra instructions. This is especially helpful because people may not watch right away, and having the link in their inbox makes it easy to come back later. If you want to expand the setup, you can connect optional integrations with your email marketing platform, CRM, or automation tools. This allows you to track registrations and trigger follow-up actions automatically. Before publishing, test the full registration process. Use the preview feature, submit a test registration, and confirm that the confirmation page, redirect, and any email notifications all work properly. This step is important because even a small issue can create friction for attendees. Once everything is working, click Publish to make the form live. Then share the registration link on your website, landing pages, social channels, or in your email campaigns. Finally, if you'd like, automate follow-up sequences for people after they watch the webinar. You can send reminders, bonus resources, offers, or a clear next step to help turn viewers into leads or customers.